Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to add data for Windows. So in project libraries, here you will get the Windows option. Just select it. Now from here you have to double hit on new default window. Now write down your window detail. Okay, name of your window, detail input if you want to find out height, width, everything. So we are designing for which project? All of you know this is our project classroom 1, classroom 2. So here we have a 4 room, classroom 1, classroom 2, office and lobby. In this 4 room we need to supply the conditioner with the help of AHU, okay, which we have placed in terrace level. You can see from this OTS we are taking the duct and we are supplying. So now for classroom 1, okay, we have window, exposure window in northwest direction, 2 window we have in southwest direction, then again in classroom 2 also we have window. So here how it is possible to write down the height and width of each and every window. So for that, here I am showing you. See, first write down the window name. Suppose first I am writing W1, window number 1, okay, for classroom 1. So see the window which is exposing, yet we have a 2 number of window which is exposing in northwest direction. Only I need the dimension here, 10 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so write down the detail. Height of that window, width is 10 feet, height is 4 feet. Okay, 10 feet by 4 feet window. Now overall U value. So for window overall U value, how much we have to consider? So it is totally depends on which type of window you are using. Okay, that I will show you. So from the ASHRAE only you can see. So U value, overall heat transfer coefficient, U value for building construction component, and their unit is written BTU per hour square feet. So for wall you have to prefer this table. So now we have to see the U value for window. Okay, so here I have opened the table, overall factor for solar heat gain through glass, okay, with and without shading device. So which type of glass you are using in your window? Let's say ordinary glass. Okay, now your window, see color, they are asking about the color, light color, medium color or dark color. So window is of light color, generally we are using light color window glass. Okay, glass factor no shade, it is given 100%. Light color, for see, for light color window they have given you the SHGC value, solar heat gain coefficient, but I want the U value now for window. So okay, just select here in the table number 6, transmission coefficient, U value for windows, skylight, doors and glass block. So first of all, which type of window you have? Single, double, triple. So suppose we have a vertical glass, horizontal glass window is also available. Suppose we have a vertical glass, double pane, half inch double pane window. So for that, how much U value we have to take? 0.55, and their unit is written here. Okay, so remember 0.55. So here I am writing 0.55. Okay, so we have written here. Now overall shade coefficient, this value you will get from the manufacturer site. Okay, they will give you the detail, but if you want to find this shade coefficient, so we have a formula also, but actually this value you will get from the manufacturer. Okay, they will give you the detail. So to find out the overall shade coefficient, we have a formula, SHGC value divided by 0.87. Okay, so I have already shown you the SHGC value for window is how much? Ordinary glass light width 0.56. So 0.56 I am just using the calculator. See, 0.56 SHGC value divided by 0.87. Here you will get the shade coefficient value, how much? 0.64. okay, so that I am writing. Actually this value you will get from the manufacturer. Okay, so don't worry about that. 0.64 I have written. So we have given the information of one window, window number 1, their detail for classroom 1. Okay, again I want to create because in classroom 1 we have one more window. You can see one window here, one window we have in this direction, southwest, whose size is 5 feet by 4 feet, width is 5, height is 4 feet. Okay, here also in classroom 2 same size of window we have. So okay, 5 by 4. Okay, come here, double hit on new default window, write down the window name. Now I am writing W2. Okay, 5 feet by 4 feet. So 4 feet height, 5 feet width. Same U value I have shown you, and SHG shade coefficient value 0.64. Okay, just hit on OK. Now again one more window we have of different dimension. You can see here in classroom 2, 15 feet by 4 feet, 15 feet width, 4 feet height. Then here also, but this window is of same size, so already we have added the detail of this size window. Okay, so don't need to write now. So okay, now this window detail 15 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so now again I am hit on new default window. Now write down window number 3, 15 feet by 4 feet. Okay, height is 4 feet, 15 feet, U value 0.55, and overall shade coefficient 0.64 is okay. Just hit on OK. Now when you come here in our project, you can see here also okay, here window we have considered, but see this wall is acting as a the wall which is exposing in southeast direction. Okay, for office here we have a wall, bricks wall, but here from this point to this point, this lobby area southeast direction wall, it is a glass wall. Okay, you can see it is written here, curtain wall. Okay, so it means we have to consider as a window only, because if it is a curtain wall, so heat will directly transfer inside the lobby area. So what is the area of that curtain wall? That detail we have to fill na. So consider as a in window only, we have to enter the detail. So see, I want to find out the area of this window. So from here to here, if total is 70 feet, so 70 feet minus 15 feet is 55 feet. Okay, 55, and height we have to consider up to slab, so it is given 15 feet. 55 into 15, it is around 825. Okay, so 825. Now I am writing, double hit on new default, W4 take as a, or you can write on curtain wall. Okay, curtain wall. But here the problem is what, height we have to take 15 feet, width 55 feet na? U value same 0.55, and shade or overall shade coefficient 0.64 already I have discussed. So in this way we have to add the data for exposure window. Now I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.